Good morning students. We will continue our chapter 8 revision. Now it's your lecture second of revision of chapter 8 equations. Okay, in this now we will continue exercise 8a. The second question is solve each of the following equations by using inverse operation. Now we will solve these all equation by using inverse operation. In this C, we are doing one questions given to you. 130 is equal to 10t. In this we can see that with the unknown variable there is a multiplication operation. Then what is the inverse operation of multiplication? That is division. So what we will do in multiply of t, that is 10, it means we will divide by 10 to both sides. Then it becomes 13 is equal to t. It means what is the solution of this equation? That is t is equal to 13. So this type you can solve all of the question. If you have addition operation, then you will apply the subtraction of inverse operation. Subtraction, then you will apply by with the same number addition operation. Multiplication, then division, division then multiplication. Okay, now see, we are doing one MCQ here. The solution of the equation, do practice all these questions properly again. Self. The difference between n and 16 is 5. The difference between n and 16 is 5. Now your solution is A 11, B minus 11, C 21, D minus 21. In this question, the solution of the equation, the difference between n and 16 is 5. What is the meaning of difference? It means n and 16. Difference means subtraction between this. N minus 16 is means equal sign 5. Now solve it. If we want to solve inverse by inverse operation, then see, with this unknown variable there is minus 16. It means subtraction operation. Then inverse operation of subtraction is addition, and same number we will take both sides. Now this one cancel out, then remaining only n, and this one 21. So which option is correct? C option is correct in this. So whenever you are solving the MCQ, show the solution also there. Okay, now next see. Which equation has a solution minus 3? Here one question, MCQ. Which equation has a solution minus 3? Equation given to you, A, x minus 3 is equal to 6. B, 6 plus x is equal to 3. C, x minus 6 is equal to 3. And D, x plus 6 is equal to minus 3. Now see in this, which equation has a solution minus 3? Then what we will do? We have to solve all the equation, then we will get the result. Starting from A, x minus 3. See, if I want to solve this equation with minus 3, inverse operation is plus 3. It means something we have to add in it. So, this one option we will not take. In this minus 6, again we have to add something in it, and this one also we not take. In this 6 plus, it means plus 6, then we have to do both sides minus 6. Then it becomes 6 plus x minus 6 is equal to 3 minus 6. Cancel out remaining x here, and this become minus 3. So, we can say that this one is our answer, or if we want to solve this one also, then same thing, we have to subtract minus 6 both sides, cancel out x, but this is both minus plus 3 plus 6 9, but sign we will take negative. So, becomes x is equal to minus 9. We need the solution x is equal to minus 3. It means this is our answer. Now, you can do your complete exercise. Undoing and balancing mentally, that is transposition. Now we will use the next method, that is a transposition. Transposition क्या होता है? It means suppose it is given to you x plus 5 is equal to 9. It means we will change the side. Something is in our LHS side, we will change for solving it into the RHS side. RHS side, then sometimes maybe we have to take it in LHS side. The purpose is we want to find out the solution of this equation. It means we want to find out the value of x, unknown variable here. Here we have addition operation and with 5, x plus 5. Transposing means this variable it remain in LHS side, and this plus 5 we will transpose to the RHS side. Whenever we will do the transpose into the next side, then we will perform the inverse operation. It means if addition is transposing to the next side, then minus, subtraction we will do subtraction, then addition, multiplication, then division, and division then multiplication. Here plus 5, when you change the side, this plus 5 change into the minus 5. Then it becomes x is equal to 4. This is called transposing method. Suppose here x minus 4 is equal to 9. Now here operation is minus 4, then we will transpose it, then it becomes plus 4. Then x is equal to 13. An equation is in multiplication. 3x is equal to 15. Then x is equal to 3 is in multiplication, transpose, then it will come in division, and then we will get the value of x is equal to 5. Suppose x is equal to 3 is equal to 7. Now it is division operation, then for the transposing we will do in multiplication, then x value become 21. So, by using transposition method, we can solve these easy equations. Directly by using inverse operation, sometimes it becomes lengthy. So, we try to solve it by transposing method. Now, see one question. In your book 8B, very easy exercise you can do. Now see, translating word problems into equation. Equation में किसी word problem को कैसे change किया जाता है. Suppose your question number first, see. Question number first, directly solving the equation. Okay, see. Write as an equation and solve. Exercise 8C. That is the product of 9 and a number. The product of 9 and a number equals 63. The first thing we have to change into an equation. प्रोडक्ट का मीन्स होता है मल्टीप्लीकेशन. So we don't know about the number, that we can say let a number is equal to x. Then the product of 9 according to question multiply x equals means equal sign 63. Then x become 63 divided by 9. 9 sevens are 63. This type you can find out the value also. One more question, see. If twice the number of books, if twice the number of books in the library is 5200, how many books are there in the library? How many books are there in the library? Twice the number of books. Twice का means to multiply. Number, we don't know number, so we take let the number of books is equal to x. Twice the number of the books in the library is means equal sign this. So we can say let number of books x. Then according to question twice 2 multiplied by x is equal to 5200. X is equal to 5200 divided by 2, 2600. So what is the value of x here? It means the number of books in the library is equal to 2600. Now you can do complete your 8C exercise revision also. We will see 8th D also. Eighth D. Solve each of the following equation. Now miscellaneous we can say that more than 2 operations given to you. More than one operation given to you, then how to solve this equation. One operation addition and one operation here multiplication. So firstly we will try to solve this addition. We want to eliminate this addition operation. Then what we are using? Both methods. Firstly, suppose I am using inverse operation. Here are plus 10. Then we want to eliminate it. It means we will do minus 10. Then it becomes 7x is equal to 49. This one cancel out and this one is 49. Now using inverse operation multiplication of 7, then we will do divide by 7. 49 by 7, then cancel out, it becomes x and this one value 7. This method, this question solved by inverse operation. Now use transposition method. In transposition method, in addition we have this one plus 10, we will do transpose, then this will change into the minus 10, 7x becomes 49. Now this one is in multiplication, when we change the side of this value, then it will come in division, then after solving you will get 7. So this type we can solve these equation. Translate each statement into an equation, then find the number. 4 times a number, 4 times a number increased by 8, increased by 8 equals 24. 4 times a number. We don't know about the number, so let a number x. 4 times it means 4 multiply. Increased by it means plus 8. Equals means equal 24. Then what will be our equation? 4x plus 8 is equal to 24. Use the transpose method for solving it. Plus 8, when you solve it, then it becomes 24 minus 8, that becomes 16. Now here multiplication, when we transpose it will come in division. It means in the final result that the value of x, solution of x is equal to 4, or root of an equation is x is equal to 4. So now your 8th chapter revision complete. We will do chapter assessment in our next lecture and try to do complete your revision properly. Okay student, thank you. Have a nice day.